are very few cars in the market that you can call iconic, and there are even fewer that can be given the tag legendary. The car that I am driving today is truly a legendary car, G63 AMG. The G63 has gone through a facelift, and it's a G-Wagon. It cannot have too many changes. It has to retain its iconic design, and it does retain that. But there are a few changes that we have seen here. One is this bumper now gets these bigger air vents. Then you will see AMG badging at various places. The AMG badging numbers have increased. So you will see the AMG badge here. It's on the side and at the rear as well. The color that you see here is absolutely stunning. It's called South Sea Blue Metallic, and it is specific to AMG's AMG badging here, and of course the V8 bi-turbo badging here. This time G63 also gets a 48-volt mild hybrid system, which gives a boost also of 20 HP and 200 Nm. We will talk about the engine in detail when I drive the car, but let me show you some interesting things on the side here. The wheels that you see here are 22 inches. The alloys have this matte golden color, looks absolutely stunning. But these 22 inches alloys are optional. The tires that you get here are 295 by 40 profile. As standard, you will get 20 inches. कुछ ही ऐसी गाड़ियाँ हैं जिनके बगल में जब मैं खड़ी होती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं थोड़ी छोटी हूँ, और G63 ये मैनेज करती है. It is so tall, almost 6 feet tall, उससे भी ज़्यादा एक्चुअली. और इस गाड़ी पर चढ़ना उतरना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है. तो ये फ्लोर बोर्ड आपको मिलता है, ये ऑप्शनल है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है अगर आप G63 खरीद रहे हैं तो आपको वो लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि वैसे भी आप इतने करोड़ खर्च कर ही रहे हैं. इसको लगाने के बाद एटलीस्ट अंदर जाना थोड़ा आसान हो जाता है. अब एक और एडिशन यहाँ पर हुआ है. पहले तो आप देख सकते हैं कीलेस एंट्री है, तो अगर मैं इसको प्रेस करती हूँ, अगर चाबी आपके पास है तो गाड़ी लॉक अनलॉक हो जाती है. और यहाँ इस डोर नॉब पर अब आपको G लिखा हुआ मिलता है, लेकिन इसको खोलने का तरीका अभी भी पुश करके ही है, क्योंकि ये इसका लेजेंडरी स्टाइल है और वो कंटिन्यू रहना चाहिए. It's a facelift, so not much has changed at the rear. अभी भी आपको ये टेल माउंटेड स्पेयर व्हील मिलता है, लेकिन एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ यहाँ पर दिखाती हूँ, और वो है इसके बूट में. अब आपको ये वुड लुकिंग पैनल यहाँ पर फ्लोर पर दिखाई दे रहा है. काफ़ी अच्छा दिखता है, थोड़ा सा प्रीमियम और बना देता है इसके बूट को भी. और साथ ही यहाँ पर आपको लगेज सेपरेटर भी मिल रहा है, जिससे आपको सामान अगर आप रखते हैं तो वो इधर उधर मूव नहीं करेगा. एक और चीज़ यहाँ पर मैं आपको इंटरेस्टिंग दिखाना चाहती हूँ, और वो है साइड में यहाँ पर जो इसका फ्यूल फिलर कैप है, उस पर भी आपको AMG की बैजिंग दिखाई देगी. एंड इन ट्रू G-Wagon स्टाइल यू गेट एग्जॉस्ट ऑन द साइड्स. यहाँ पर ये ब्लैक कलर के AMG एग्जॉस्ट आपको दिखाई देंगे. लेकिन कुछ एक चेंजेस गाड़ी के अंदर भी हैं. लेट्स गो इनसाइड. G-Wagon has always managed to give you very practical interiors with a lot of luxury. Mercedes somehow finds that balance right every time, and that's the case in G63 as well. You have a very simple looking dashboard, but all soft touch material. There is this grab handle here for the co-passenger to grab when you are off-roading and sit comfortably. Then you get a touch screen now, which is for the first time in the G63. But there are few buttons here. Your AC controls are on the buttons, so you can access them easily. Not everything goes on the screen, and that's a saving grace. You also get a digital driver display. Both these screens look like they are one screen and very well integrated in the dashboard. You also have this very neatly integrated AC vents. The AC vents are of course those propeller types. They look very cool, but very nicely integrated, and I love this satin finish material that you see here. It's beautiful. Then you also get this carbon fiber on the center console. Under this carbon fiber flap, you get your wireless charger, 2 cup holders which are cooled and heated. You can opt from this button, either you want to keep it cool or hot. Then you also have a lot of space under the armrest. These interiors not just look beautiful, they are actually very usable. These seats They're very comfortable and they have this function which I will tell you when I drive the car, but they also have heating and ventilation. And you also get these red seat belts. Don't they look super cool? You also get a small sunroof. Let's hop on to the second row. Now G63 is a big car, so you don't have any dearth of space on the second row. बहुत बढ़िया leg room मिल जाता है, foot space बहुत बढ़िया है. ये सीट exactly वहीं पर है जहाँ पर मैं बैठी हुई थी जब मैं गाड़ी चला रही थी, और उसके बाद भी यहाँ पर बहुत ही बढ़िया space मिल जाता है. But I think the visibility is a bit compromised. You have this glass area, and of course this is big. There's decent amount of light that comes through, but the front visibility is compromised because the seat is quite high up, and with this accessory, this touchscreen, which is an accessory in this G-Wagon, if you choose this, then the visibility becomes quite limited and this feels quite in your face. But the things that you get here is 3-zone AC. You also have C-type charging ports. Then you also get a heating function, but no ventilation here. I think I would have liked it if this sunroof was a panoramic one, so that the visibility at the rear seat improved a little bit more. G63 AMG is packed with features. Now on to how the G63 AMG drives. Well, first thing first, you really feel on top of the world when you sit on this driver's seat. सब कुछ आपके नीचे दिखाई देता है. You get that high position and the visibility here is just so good. The G63 AMG gets the M177 4-liter V8 engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. The engine produces 585 HP power and 850 Nm of torque. और इसका हाइब्रिड सिस्टम 20 HP पावर और 200 Nm का बूस्ट भी देता है. Mercedes has put the twin-scroll turbochargers between the cylinder heads for better response and taken various steps for better thermal management. Result is, there is barely any turbo lag and power delivery is extremely smooth. The engine is paired with AMG's SpeedShift TCT9G, a 9-speed torque converter gearbox. You get drive modes. There's Comfort, Individual, Sports, Sports Plus, and then you have some off-roading modes as well. But the most fun mode is Sports Plus mode. Let me engage that. And then the sound this V8 makes is just so good. What's also special about this car is now you get active ride control. Active ride control uses interconnected hydraulic lines that link valves at the top of each damper, rather than using traditional sway bars. An electronically controlled pump adjusts the fluid pressure on each shock, enhancing stability. Despite being this big, tall brick of a car, it still feels a lot more in control. The body roll is much contained compared to the size of the car that this one is. The suspension too changes with the drive modes. स्पोर्ट्स और स्पोर्ट्स प्लस मोड में सस्पेंशन स्टिफ हो जाता है. इसके साथ स्पिरिटेड ड्राइविंग करने में भी कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. वहीं रेगुलर ड्राइविंग के लिए कंफर्ट मोड परफेक्ट है. While we did not take this over 3.5 crore car off-road, and probably its buyer too will abstain from it, the car promises greater articulation when needed. This is a G-Wagon, so it has to have all the off-road capabilities. Now, one thing that has been added and it makes your life very easy is this off-road cockpit. You press a button and you get all your off-road statistics right in front of you. And one thing that I have really come to appreciate are these seats. They're not just comfortable, they hold you very well when you need them. These are active seats, so when you are changing lanes or taking a sharp turn, the seat automatically closes on you and it gives you a very comfortable, very reassuring feeling. This is a G63 AMG, so it combines the off-roading capability of G-Wagon with the performance of AMG. This car weighs 2.6 tons, in fact over 2.6 tons, and it does 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. That is the power of this V8 engine. I am on the city roads. I'm going back to comfort mode because the roads here are just not suitable for sports mode. And in comfort mode, this car is ready to take on all the bad roads pretty much easily. You will feel them, but you won't find them uncomfortable. कंफर्ट मोड में पावर डिलीवरी काफ़ी लीनियर है, काफ़ी स्मूथ है. तो अगर आप सिटी में ड्राइव कर रहे हैं तो आप इस गाड़ी के साथ ज़्यादा आसानी से ड्राइव कर पाएंगे बिकॉज इट डज नॉट सरप्राइज यू विद द पावर डिलीवरी. बट अगर आप शहर में गाड़ी चला रहे हैं देन बी प्रिपेयर्ड कि लोग आपकी गाड़ी को मुड़ मुड़ कर देखेंगे, विच इज़ द होल पर्पस ऑफ बाइंग द जी वैगन इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, to make people turn around and take note. Amazing road presence, off-road capabilities and performance manages to bully everyone around on road, off-road or on track. Ready to shell out over 3.6 crores to buy a car? I think G63 is the one that you should be going for.